Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman, and we're taking a look today at an accessory for the Oculus Quest 2. This is their Elite strap, which replaces the strap that came with my Quest 2. And some viewers were telling me that I should check it out because I have been having a hard time getting this one adjusted. I'm able to get it okay on my head, but then if I put it on my kid's head, I'm having a really hard time getting everything to work with my little ones. And this one's going to be a little bit simpler to get on my head and the heads of others that may want to try this thing. And I'm getting a lot of little blonde hairs from my daughter in the existing strap. So what we're going to do today is unbox this and see how it attaches to the Quest. We're going to take off the old strap and put on this new one. And I do want to let you know, in the interest of full disclosure, that I paid for the strap here with my own funds along with the headset. All of the opinions you're about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this review, nor is anyone reviewing or approving what you're about to see before it was uploaded. So let's get into it now and see what's inside this box and see how hard it is to get it on that headset. All right, so let's take this thing out of the box and see what we got here. It's kind of packaged as nicely as the Quest is. I got to figure out where the opening is for the box here. Here we go. And we'll open it up. Now remember, the headset is not in the box, just the strap. So this is what it looks like. And then what we need to do is figure out how to get the existing strap off. So they want you to remove with care. Follow the quick start guide. So we're going to put this stuff aside here. That's all that's in the box here, really. It's just it's actually a lot of room in that box for not a lot of stuff. There is a quick start guide here that we can go through. And I'm assuming this will kind of show us how to get everything put together. So the first thing we have to do is remove the facial interface, which is the pad here on the front. It's kind of an official name for something so simple. So we'll take that part off. Next we need to do is detach the soft strap. Starting from the back of the strap's plastic casing, pull outward and twist slightly to unsnap both side straps. So it looks like the fabric is separate. I'm not sure how that comes out. Oh, I see. Okay, so these snap, I see how this works now. So these snap in like so. So they just come off here. So you don't want to pull the fabric off. You want to pull the thing that the fabric is attached to. So let me do the other one on this side. So they just kind of come off like that. That's it. So this is a little bit easier than I thought it was going to be. And then what I've got to do is disconnect the Velcro here and then just pull this through. And that will separate it out. So now I just have a headset. And I'm guessing now it's going to be as easy as just attaching this portion here, like so. So we slide that under there, and I guess it's going to just snap right in. Yep, that's it. And we'll do it to the other side here. Try to get you a good angle of it. And it's got to go, I think it's got to go in front first. There we go. So that's it. Yeah, so the speakers are built into that plastic portion, so you're not swapping the speakers out. And then what it looks like we need to do is get this portion fed through this spot here. And this will continue to, I'm guessing, be adjustable because this is all Velcro. So it looks like you'll be doing the wheel here on the back and then the top portion here as well. So let me get the right orientation for the Velcro strap here and we'll finish this up. So this is going to go in like so, and you can see it coming out the top there. And then this will be adjusted when I put this on my head. And now that we have that through, what we're going to do is attach the facial interface here. And there's enough room on the front of the facial interface to support the strap moving back and forth. It might be hard to see, but there's a little groove in there that will snap into place here. So let's get this situated. And this will snap back in. And one of the things I like about the Quest is how easy it is to remove this and replace it. So if you have multiple people coming over to use your headset, you can get replacements that just easily snap in and out. And you're pretty much good to go there. So that feels pretty good. So the next thing we're going to do is see how this fits on my head. And this will be a little bit easier to get on. So I would say probably what you want to do is keep this loose here at the top. And then when you put it on your head, you will tighten up the Velcro here but also use this to tighten it up towards the back of the head. And as you can see here, they've got a much better, much more firm grip on the back of your head for a better positioning. And as you can see, it gets pretty small, so I think this could probably work with a kid as well, which is my intent with this. And I'll let you know how it does with my daughter when she gets home from school. So there you go. All right, so I'm going to move it all the way back out here. And what I'm going to do is now put it on my head. So I'm going to get my eyes aligned here. I'm going to tighten up the strap here, get it nice and tight. And now I'm just going to, yeah, that's actually pretty nice. And actually, this is good. This is a lot better than the other strap because there's only two things to adjust here, just this top part and the back part, and that's it. So you can get it on and off quicker, and I think it's going to be a lot quicker to get other people into this. And you can just take it off just by releasing the back there. So we'll do it again here. Yeah, it feels much tighter. I think that thing in the back of the head here, this makes a big difference. So that feels good. So overall, I must say I'm very pleased with the strap here. It actually is a lot more comfortable than the other strap. It's easier to get a good fit. And one thing that I've noticed just playing with this for a little while is that the image is clearer to me because the headset is able to stay positioned better on my head. So in addition to comfort, it actually looks better. And that's really good. I did try it on with my 7-year-old daughter in between takes here, and it fit her much better as well. So I think if you're having fit problems, this is probably something worth picking up. And I'm surprised that I didn't pick this up sooner because this is going to make using the headset a lot less aggravating. It's a lot simpler to get this on the head than it was before. So I am quite pleased here with the Elite strap, and I am looking forward to playing around a little bit more with it. It looks like they've got a new version of this that has a battery on the back that would give you additional playtime. For me, because my eyes are what they are, I usually can't get to 2 hours on this thing, which is the typical battery life for the internal battery. But if you're someone that likes to go for long periods of time, that version of the strap might be worth taking a look at. I think the total weight with the battery is going to be about 1.8 pounds or so. So it will add some weight to the package, but it is evenly distributed. You'll have a bunch of weight on the back and a bunch of weight on the front. So it may not be all that uncomfortable and will give you additional battery life there. But for me, I'm pretty happy with the basic model here, and I think it'll improve my experience here with the Oculus Quest 2. That's going to do it for now. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Mark Bollinger, Sergio Morales, Mark Dell, Jim Gallagher, and Stephen Sue. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.